going to go all the way to India to take a look at one of the largest convention centers in the area. So
Let's do it.
Let's take a look.
Multi-purpose spaces are high on experience and flexible in use, and we are getting quite a bit of requirement now from government, from education, and even from corporates, where organizations are looking for spaces which can meet different objectives. We have done quite a few such installations, including PSG, which has come up really well.
When the customer approached us with the idea of this huge space which could be used for a variety of applications, we took it as a challenge. We could deliver a system which, with a touch of a button, could be a convocation space in the morning and transforms into a rock concert space in the evening.
The client's expectation was to have a world-class auditorium which is aesthetically appealing, acoustically functioning, and the audience walks out with an amazing experience. QSC came up with a solution which was very linear, yet delivering the experience we wanted.
Yeah, pretty impressive auditorium there.
Totally, but it wasn't just an auditorium. A lot of footage from the auditorium, but this space has conference rooms, banquet rooms, VIP lounges, rehearsal spaces, and of course, all of the common area that are connected via Q-SYS. So all the BGM and paging that takes place in these areas.
Yeah, that's right. And the cool thing about this, it's all run on a single Q-SYS core. So, I mean, that has a lot of advantages. Centralizing your processing in that way means you've got really just one design file. You can log into that and you can see the whole place with all the spaces you just mentioned in one. And if you want to do a firmware update, you've done essentially the entire convention center in one hit.
Yeah, circling back on the auditorium, they did an interesting thing with the need to push audio. Usually you would use like a stage box, but instead they used QIO, right?
Right. So normally you might have a stage box that's specific to a mixing console that you're using, something like that, and that's great. But in this place, they use QIO, rack mounted, and being able to put that on the stage, because then not only could they use it in the auditorium, but they could actually route that anywhere they like just through Q-SYS. So it's pretty cool.